I think they both went.
No, just the one.
Is that it?
Yep.
Just wait till that flame goes out. Right, go. Jesus Christ.
Have some more, please.
I like these ones.
You won't play yourself, pal.
Well, I tried to get a picture, but it coming from camera. I just got a picture. It was like itching. Oh.
Zach, if you come closer. That's just blind, isn't it? Come on.
Just go to the right side.
Oh, Fritzy.
Dog. I didn't realise I got a new phone.
No?
What's your favourite colour, Meg?
Purple.
Do you want in that pocket?
Expecto Patronum.
Yeah.
Say hello, Megan.
Can you like this back?
Please.
I don't trust you both. This is the water in it. Fireworks one.
Yeah.
The I haven't one.
Oh, just like this one.
Know what?
To the phone and my dad said yeah, my dad just went and bought it.
I'm not.
That's on that.
Come.
Yeah, it's cheap.
Right.
I don't know, I can't remember.
Katie,
Huh?
your shoe were on fire.
Oh.
Woo! That it? No. Oh, some were blue. Oh, this one's red for Gryffindor.
You haven't gone, Meg?
No. Don't trust myself with the sparkler.
It's okay, Meg.
Oh no. We're keeping the shoe on fire, isn't
Would have felt it if I was getting warm.
kind of wish I was wearing another jacket.
I don't know what fireworks ever on our end, but it was louder than that.
I went to the they were really loud. It was like,
It was like Emmerdale's fireworks.
oh yeah, a
They were
kaboom.
funny.
It was a bang. When it went, it was a bang. Play a little bit out. Let's see if it's like this when you get a bit bored in your house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you. Yeah, they're the posh ones. I got on for guides. Brian, that was a bit big, weren't it?
Oh, that's smoke.
I know.
Oh, it's that thick you can see on the camera.
Right, well, there's 3 left. Do you want me to like them?
Is it because you had a
I
shower?
threw the thingy though.
Right, I've got my lighter in my pocket.
Please be careful, Lisa.
Alright then, I'll use the big. No, fuck it. 45. Big girl, me.
Lisa, Lisa. Come on, Lisa.
So you can't really run because the grass is wet.
Not in these shoes. Oh, that smells like fart, that one.
Oh, you all do. Sleep.
Yeah. Almost done now.
No, I'm just looking like this. Watching. Oh my god.
Last one.
Woo! My goodness.
That was a shot one.
Say hi.
Hi.
You ready?
Yeah. Come on, Lisa.
Hey!